In America, creators are turning real-life family court drama into viral entertainment, and it's paying off big. Welcome to the Justice Hustle, where courtroom content is pulling in nearly $9,000 every single month. Family court cases are raw, emotional, and deeply relatable. U.S. audiences are hooked on the tension, the heartbreak, and the resolution. It's reality TV without the script, and that authenticity is exactly what keeps viewers watching. Here's how the hustle works. Creators narrate or showcase real cases, add commentary, and package them into binge-worthy episodes. With millions of views rolling in, ad revenue, sponsorships, and memberships stack up fast. What looks like drama is actually a carefully built business model. This niche proves that American audiences crave real stories more than polished fiction. And when creators deliver, YouTube's algorithm rewards them, pushing courtroom content into trending lists and recommended feeds across the USA. So whether you see it as entertainment or entrepreneurship, one thing's clear: the justice hustle is real, and it's reshaping how creators make money online in America. Would you tune in for family court drama, or does it cross the line? Share your thoughts below.